Yo, welcome back to Old Garage Purgatory. I'm gonna work on this shovel head. I'm gonna peck away at it, but this freaking exhaust will not seat, so let me show you. All right, it's kind of hard to tell, but the back of this has a pretty good gap. Actually, right now it's not as bad, but I got a washer and a gasket in there. This side is the worst. That back part has got a big fat gap on it. It's all in the back because it looks like this because the screw is through this part. So it's just pinching down like that. So what I've gathered is I need to take it off and probably cut a little bit out of the head there, and not in the head, the exhaust, and put it in there and try to get it seated, because whatever's inside the exhaust port is pushing the flange out, pushing the exhaust, whatever you want to call it, I can't remember. I'm cranking down on the bolts so that pipe's going into the head, but whatever's inside the head is just pushing it in there. So I really don't want to do that. So let's get this thing taken off and shave her down. All right, so I just got a exhaust down here. Let me show you. In the old dirty dog bed. But I just checked the length of this one. This is the one that was on the on the bike, excuse me. Not that far off in length. So what I'm thinking is I just got to cut a little bit. So here's the pipe. See, not much difference, but it is kind of mushrooming out right here from it being pushed, mainly on this back part. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to take a cutting wheel size off. I really don't want to cut that much. I might even just try to grind it and then blow it out with air. And then this side, kind of the same deal. A lot of soot on this side. This is the side that keeps burning a bunch of black shit on the spark plug. And then this side's about normal. So I'm thinking this side's got a leak, or maybe this side, I'm not sure. But let me shave down both of these and put it on the bike and see what happens. All right, you can't even see it, but I barely took any off. I don't want to get too crazy. I just hit it with the grinder like on the top, and then I filed it down. This one I kind of went crazy on. You can see it's a little wonky, but oh well. Hit it with the file so there's no burrs. I'm gonna blow it out with the air compressor, and let's go put this thing on there. All right, I gave up and used some RTF. I used this stuff. Screw it. And on that one too. Let's put it on. Ooh, yeah. It's a freaking seal. Ain't gonna leak now. I just gotta get it all lined up. All right, I got it cleaned up. The gasket right here is the reason why it's got a gap now, because I got an Evo style one in the front. But this back one's pretty dialed. I smeared that stuff off, the RTV. So that's it. I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and if it works, I'm gonna make a bracket for back here. And I'd like to get a little muffler somehow, something cool. Let me know in the comments what you think I should get on there. And let me know if you use RTF. I hear mixed things. I hear not to use it. Don't be a tweaker. and I heard 2 use it, so I'm just gonna go with the 2 use it. All right, that's it. It's kind of weird filming on the phone. I feel like I'm always trying to set it up. But anyways, mixed reviews on the silicone. Whatever, I'm gonna try it. That copper stuff's good. It's high heat. It moves with vibration, seals. It's for exhaust, so whatever, I'm gonna run it. I was reading that maybe some of that stuff kind of gets old and brittle and then goes in your motor, but whatever. It's up to 700 degrees, and I think the motor gets like almost 12. I don't know. These are things I read. So whatever, leave a comment, tell me your experience with old silicones on your exhaust. I can't get the freaking thing to seal. I've tried the gaskets, the Evo style ones with the copper. Now I'm doing the silicone. And I even shaved them down in this video, so they fit in there better and should be sealed up. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna film a video on trying to tune this bad boy. This weekend I gotta get it running because I want to go to a chopper show, and if it don't run, I'm gonna be pissed, and I'm gonna be riding a freaking Sportster there. Dang it! So like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like these weird little phone edits. I'll get back to the normal one soon. See ya.